Click on the Preview My Link button and a separate window will open where you will see the product that you just created. You may copy the link from the Uploads page here and paste it into an email or chat that you will then send to the recipient. It is really that simple. Once you have created a folder, it will remain in your Uploads section for the length of time your user-specific membership plan allows before being automatically deleted. You may, of course, delete the folder or any of the individual files within it manually at any time to free up your storage space and allow space for the creation of new presentations. You may choose to delete an entire folder or files in a folder from the Uploads page located here. Please keep in mind that anytime you make changes to a folder in the Uploads section, the links that you have already sent to recipients will reflect the changes made, so if you add a document, the recipient will see that additional document. If you delete a document, that document will no longer appear in the presentation, even after the link has been sent. In this manner, all changes are made in real time. You can quickly locate a particular file by utilizing the Advanced Search tool located at the bottom of your Uploads page as well.